Welcome guys, this is tutorial 2. Today we'll be focusing on extruded boss base. So let's start with the front plane. Let's start with the top plane today. Let's add our dimension. You go to smart dimension, click on this line, dimension is 100 millimeters, 100 by 50, vertical 50 millimeters. You go to features, click on extruded boss base. Extruded boss base. Let's make the distance 50. So we have this. In your direction, we have different directions, different conditions. We have line, we have up to vertex, we have up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, mid plane. So let's work with blind. So you can see we are done with our extrude. This is our extrude for today. Thank you for watching.